Sanju Verma, so much has been made about CAG reports. Number one, of course, the Aam Aadmi Party did not table the 14 CAG reports on the floor of the House. There are so many other CAG reports which have been damning, some of them with your own incumbent government. Not just the government, even in your cabinet ministers. What of the Dwarka Expressway? There are multiple CAG reports which pointed out to corruption in the Dwarka Expressway, where the needle of doubt was actually pointing towards an incumbent cabinet minister. Number two, Uttarakhand right now, funds for afforestation were used for laptops and iPhones. So all of that in perspective, we are making, yes, the Aam Aadmi Party did not table the reports, but even if the reports were tabled, no government really takes them seriously, including your own governments in different states.
Preeti, let me first, get one thing very clear, loud and clear to your audience, which is the biggest stakeholder in debates like these. In your India Today conclave, when questioned by your colleague, the current transport, heavy industries, roads minister Nitin Gadkari categorically said that there was no corruption in the Dwarka Expressway, and he called out the bluff of Kejriwal in your India Today conclave, and he gave a lengthy explanation. So, there's no time in this debate to get into lengthy explanations, but next time, please play out Nitin Gadkari's video from India Today conclave, and then I will debate with you about the Dwarka Expressway. But since this debate is about CAG reports not being tabled by Kejriwal, which has been done by Rekha Gupta, which has been done by Vijender Gupta under the aegis of LG VK Saxena, let me first very categorically say to Reena Gupta that, you guys make this shosha about Jai Bhim, Jai Meme, and you remember Baba Saheb Ambedkar. It is thanks to the BJP that, Baba Saheb Ambedkar was given Bharat Ratna in 1990, 34 years after his death, when VP Singh was the Prime Minister and led the National Front government, which was supported by BJP. So we don't need lectures from Aam Aadmi Party. Baba Saheb Ambedkar wanted Uniform Civil Code to be implemented as per Article 44, which comes under Directive Principles of State Policy of the Constitution. And in debate after debate, when Aam Aadmi Party panelists have been asked, do you support Uniform Civil Code? Because you say you support everything that Baba Saheb Ambedkar says. इनके मुंह में दही जम जाता है. When Aam Aadmi Party panelists are asked, why were you quiet when Baba Saheb Ambedkar's statue was vandalized and desecrated on the 26th of January 2025 in the heart of Amritsar under the incompetent nose of Bhagwat Singh Mann, who's a Kejriwal Darbari? Aam Aadmi Party के retainers के मुंह में दही जम जाता है. When I ask Aam Aadmi Party
in 2 minutes. What I really love is that there is a timer and automatically the fader goes down. So this is the best thing that has happened in debate history, I feel, at least on Indian television. But I'm going to give you both 2 minutes each as well. But Sanju Verma, I'll come back to the point because yes, you're completely right. We had Nitin Gadkari on the India Today conclave stage and he completely denied any wrongdoing. But we also had Arvind Kejriwal on the India Today stage who denied any wrongdoing. Was there a CAG report on the Dwarka Expressway? Of course it was. The highway minister deemed it erroneous. Arvind Kejriwal deems these CAG reports erroneous, which he did not table. So that's the perspective. Reena Gupta, I want to bring you back into this conversation. The fact is, Reena Gupta, forget about what the BJP makes of CAG reports. There's a 2012 tweet by Arvind Kejriwal, and it doesn't tantamount to a tweet. There have been multiple occasions, Reena Gupta, where Arvind Kejriwal has walked to the then incumbent Prime Minister's house, Dr. Manmohan Singh, when it came down to 2G, when it came down to the coal scam, actually said, and I will quote that tweet, कि कांग्रेस देश बेच देती अगर कैग नहीं होता तो. Aam Aadmi Party clearly believes in the CAG. Yet you didn't table those 14 reports, and now when there are multiple accusations which can tantamount to bigger charges are coming out of the CAG report, you're in denial mode.
Absolutely not, Preeti. The CAG report in question is the CAG report on the liquor policy. Nowhere in the CAG report, I don't know if you've read it, nowhere in the CAG report is there any evidence. Nowhere it says that there was any scam. There is a difference. In the Dwarka Expressway project, it was a CAG report which said very clearly that there was a cost escalation of some 300%. 1 kilometer of Dwarka Expressway was built for 250 crores. So you spent 750 crores in 3 kilometers of Dwarka Expressway. So there's a very big difference. Whereas the CAG report on the liquor policy of Delhi says that the new policy was very good, and I'm quoting here, it increased transparency, it curbed black market, and it boosted revenue. All of this is written in the CAG report. The CAG report goes on to say that the revenue increased from 4,108 crores to 8,911 crores. I'm quoting all of these figures. So Bharatiya Janata Party can keep saying CAG report, CAG report, CAG report, but nowhere in the CAG report there was any mention of any liquor scam, any wrongdoing, because there was no scam, there was no wrongdoing. छत पे खड़े होके चिल्लाने से स्कैम नहीं होता है, स्कैम प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. संजू वर्मा ने प्रूव नहीं कर पाया कि स्कैम कहां पे है, और इसीलिए they have removed our MLAs from the assembly because they don't know how to face our MLAs inside the assembly. Everywhere in the country they're following the same line that you just throw opposition out, whether it's the parliament or it's the state assemblies, because चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होता है. डेटा रखना पड़ेगा, हार्ड फैक्ट्स रखने पड़ेंगे. आप मुझे दिखाइए इस कैग रिपोर्ट में कौन से पेज पर लिखा हुआ है कि कोई लिकर स्कैम नहीं हुआ था. On the other hand, the CAG report is praising the Arvind Kejriwal policy of liquor in Delhi.
All right.
The same policy is being implemented in Punjab.
Okay, Sanju Verma, I'm going to give you 1 minute because the Aam Aadmi Party alleges that this is a witch hunt. This is vengeance, revenge, not really justice, which what the BJP says.
You know, Preeti, first, let me make one thing very clear. Let's never compare Nitin Gadkari with Arvind Kejriwal, who was also there in your India Today conclave. I, request you to conduct a survey. Arvind Kejriwal की credibility is zero. Arvind Kejriwal की credibility की धज्जियां उड़ चुकी हैं. Forget about becoming a chief minister again. Arvind Kejriwal is not even an MLA. जनता has spoken out. और रीना गुप्ता जो यहाँ बैठकर बोलती है, संजू वर्मा को बोलिए to give data. Sanju Verma always endorses with data. And let me say one thing. What does the CAG report say?
Can I get only Sanju Verma?
What does the CAG report say? Can I please? What does the CAG report say? 2,000 crore loss to the exchequer thanks to Kejriwal. What does the CAG report say? 892 crore loss because tenders which were revoked were not even submitted for re-tendering. What does the CAG report say? 941 crore loss thanks to Kejriwal because zonal licensees were exempted from making payments. 27 crore worth of security deposits were not collected. CAG report has nailed Farziwal.
Okay. All right. Very well timed, Sanju Verma. It ended right at the dot of 1. Okay, I want to bring in Reena Gupta back into this conversation. 1 minute, Reena Gupta, that you have. The BJP says, Reena Gupta, this is just the liquor scam. There is already a case going on, so forget about the CAG report. It's just giving out figures on what the BJP alleges is a scam. They say next, the CAG report, which is going to be tabled, is going to be the alleged excesses when it came down to the former residence of the chief minister.
Preeti, they can table as many CAG reports as they want. But the reality is that when there was a CAG report on the Ayushman Bharat scam and on the Dwarka Expressway scam, you know what they did? They transferred those officials who wrote that CAG report. ये सच्चाई है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की. And why is it that on all the central government schemes, there is never a CAG audit? When was the last time there was any audit done on any central government scheme? Can Sanju Verma answer that? That when Ayushman Bharat, there's such large-scale scam. Every day in the papers you will read that लोगों के जबरदस्ती हार्ट सर्जरी की जा रही है, लोगों के स्टेंट डाले जा रहे हैं, लोगों की जबरदस्ती कैटरेक्ट सर्जरी की जा रही है, सब कुछ आयुष्मान भारत स्कैम में हो रहा है. But why there is no CAG audit? When will Bharatiya Janata Party do a CAG audit of their own flagship schemes, which was being done during the Congress time? There used to be a CAG audit of the flagship schemes. Why there is no CAG audit of Ayushman Bharat scam?
You know what's really interesting is because the Aam Aadmi Party took the Congress on and now is actually quoting something from the Congress's ears. But we leave it at that. We leave it for our viewers to decide. Tomorrow there's going to be yet another CAG report that will be tabled on the floor of the Delhi Assembly.